The following video is a MAZAK Nexus 510C-HS. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, we're going to go ahead and run through all of our axis real quick. We'll start with X. We'll go with Y. And our Z. All right, we're going to go ahead and do the rotary table. Back the other way. All right. We're going to go ahead and do some tool changing. Let's see. MDI. Tool change. Let's go to 2. One more time. We'll go to 10. All right, we'll go ahead and do the spindle test now. Go to wrapping, start spindle. We'll go to 1,000 RPM. At 1,000 RPM. All right, that is 3,000. We'll go to 6. That's 6,000. And jump up to 10. That's 10,000 RPM. And then we'll bring it all the way to 15,000, our maximum RPM. That is 15,000 RPM. And off.
Okay. So walk around the machine here. Kind of packed tight, so we'll have to go to the other side. So your books, your probe. We have another piece of equipment here on this side. Machine, tool changer, lubrication, lube pump, grease, your chiller. Again, the following video is a MAZAK Nexus 510HS.